Playing Geometry Dash, riding in the Maserati, might just crash. Double cup with some shrooms, that's a double up. Fuck your Oma with some goofy ass socks. Playing Roblox, can't stop sucking cocks. It's a massacre. Chase that kid down the block, had to stop cause there wasn't up. So I pulled out my Glock and let that thing bang. My name Avocado, the way I mukbang. That boy raised a flag like he was Drain Gang.
Swerving in my UFO, geometric dash. Took your girlfriend to my bed and then I made it clap. Purple drink up in my cup, I had to make it last. When I nutted in your shawty, she said I was fast.
Sad.
I just slept with Amber Heard and she gave me a rash.
Fighting for my life like it was Ukraine. Playing too much dash, got an eye strain. Got that white on my face, no cocaine. Got my dog, you know that boy was trained. I fucked your Oma last night, I'm just saying. Playing Time Machine was pain.
Going for your neck on this verse. Gonna put you in a black hearse. Got you with my own Glock. Gonna shoot up your whole block. I'm going for this or bust. You know I got this trust.
Yeah.
So what happened the other day, right? I was just walking down the street, okay? And what happened was, I saw a dude walking out of school. Told him send me news, but he ain't wanna do it. So I shot him in his face. Stupid nigga got erased. Dropped him to the floor, and he was only 8, and his mama was a whore. So I nutted in her face, kidnap kids every day. I only have sex if it's a child getting raped. I'm not a Jew, but they all know I'm gay. I like dudes who are skinny, who are white, and who got cake.